I think this is the longest I've ever had a cold.
Yeah.
Why won't you look at mommy?
So, and you want me to do that?
Come on. Tell me.
Hi, welcome to our morning where we are looking fly. Who said no one says fly? Welcome to our morning where Jill and I got the kids off to school and, sorry, he is so annoyed with me.
No, I'm not falling asleep. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Why is it doing that? There we go.
This morning, Jill and I got the kids off to school, and together we wrote an email that took us an hour to curate. It's a good email. Hopefully it was convincing. Okay, working from home, we eat from home. Like, we have tried. You guys know we have made a huge effort to eat good at home. But then there's these mornings when it's like, it's a culmination. Joel doesn't feel good. I'm really tired. And it's like, okay, what we normally would have for breakfast, let's just go through this. We would normally have, okay, some scrambled eggs, finish up the strawberries, a side of strawberries, top it with avocado. That's delicious. And top that with some salsa, okay? That's a great breakfast. Actually, I think I just convinced myself. What I was going to say is we kind of want to like get pancakes from Black Bear Diner or something, but I think I just convinced myself that we should have eggs and avocado.
Okay, but while we're on the subject of this,
Okay.
we don't have any sausage, and that sounds really good. Black Bear's sausage is so good. But I have Googled how to make the pancake recipe that they have, and nobody's concocted it on their own and transcribed it on the internet for us. If you know it, tell me.
Yeah, we need their buttermilk pancake recipe. So anyway, that's kind of our dilemma this morning. We need to get working, but we just haven't. We don't want to because we're tired and, you know, just the things. You're a pretty girl. You got a haircut yesterday, didn't you? Yeah, you look really pretty. She won't even look at me. She doesn't ever change her face. Why aren't you looking at me? Stink.
Why won't you look at her? Why won't you look at mommy?
Life is brief, don't let that get you down. Don't let that get you down. It's all gonna go away soon, but there ain't news to you. Why you so upset about it? Life is brief, don't let that get you down. Don't let that get you down. It's all gonna go away soon, but there ain't news to you. Why you so upset about it?
What the heck? No, Cody. No, Cody.
Please stop.
Take that upstairs and go. Oh! Boston, you're such a creepo. Okay, go upstairs and finish the dishes. Hurry, go upstairs and finish helping Dad.
Last night, I just had an idea. If you guys haven't known, we have this like corner in our wall, and we can fit beanbags in there. And I slept there last night, and
now it's my turn.
Boston wants to sleep in there, and I'm saying no, so I get it.
No, but we're gonna make it, and then we're gonna show you how I get in it. And then
No, you're gonna show how I get in it.
no, Cody, stop.
Mom said what?
Cody, Mom said
Mom-
stop.
What?
Turn it off.
Turn what off?
Mom,
Mom?
Mom,
Mom?
Mom,
Mom?
Mom,
Mom? Mom?
Cody won't let me get up there.
I never said no.
Yes, you did, Mom.
I'm not sure what you're talking about, but Boston, get up there. And Cody,
Hold it, I'll make it. Okay, he's making it, and I'm gonna get up there from this ladder, and then I'm gonna jump in there.
No, you're supposed to jump.
Grab this. Yeah, I'm gonna grab that and then get in there. Okay, Cody, hold it. Okay, Cody, hold it. Like that. Cody, and then hold it. But it hurts. Cody hurt. Cody, hold it. Okay, now I'm gonna do it. Okay, watch out. Ooh. Ow. 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 Okay, so now I like that and go. No, wait. And then you grab right here, and then you like. And then you grab the corner of the top, and then you climb in there. I'll be in there. Get in there.
hold it while I'm getting in there.
No, because then I'm going to hold the camera.
We can put it right here.
Even better.
No, Cody, that's gonna fall.
No, because it will.
Cody, make
Why
it.
is it always me?
Wait, put it right here because I'm gonna jump there. Okay, so it's gonna fall.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
If it does, it goes in the crack.
What crack?
I'm trying to get it to stick. Do we have like a book?
Mom, do you have a book? You got 50 over here.
Yeah?
Do not call my name like that, assuming you're gonna get someone in trouble.
I wasn't. That was Cody.
No, I was asking, do we have like a small book?
Cody, here.
Not big boy book.
Hear you.
Nothing.
Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Bring me the camera, guys.
We're not done. Boston, I'm leaving. I don't know how to turn off the camera that well.
Bye.
Mom, here's the camera.
Thank you. Are your teeth brushed?
Yes.
Are you guys all the way ready for bed?
Yes.
Check the bathroom, make sure it's clean, and then I want you to go to bed.
Credit card. You got it. Mom, can I sleep in the crack thing?
I literally have no idea what you're talking about. You guys play rock, paper, scissors to see who sleeps in it. Who slept there last night?
Me. But I said,
Then it's
Boston said
Boston's
we need to get 2 nights in it.
Nope, every other. Don't you look at me that way.
Please. He falls off every time.
What? I have to see what you guys are talking about. Oh my gosh, my back hurts so bad.
Talk to Jake from Steak Farm. He'll get you a deal on a massage.
I don't even know where you learned that. That's not even true. Okay.
This is the crack.
You are. No one is. No one is
I slept there last
sleeping
night
in there.
and I slept behind the beanbag.
No.
Come on, it was so fun. You
No.
didn't even care when you walked in. Yeah, this morning
No,
you said,
this morning when I came and got you, it was right here.
That's what I meant. Like, I had one beanbag and slept.
Okay, the answer is no. It's a school night. I want you guys in your bed. Before you, hey, listen. Look, you guys are smashing your hat.
That's Lincoln.
That was Lincoln's hat.
Is that supposed to be like that?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Credit card number. You got it.
Pick up 10 things a piece and then on your beds.
Okay, I'll bulldoze Cody.
Someone's gonna get hurt and I'm not gonna be happy about it. Get down now.
Okay, Cody, watch out.
Move.
Please, Cody.
Get down now. Get down now.
I don't know how. Steak Farm is gonna give him stitches. I don't know how. He's got it. Are you gonna catch me? Yes. I put the pillow there and I trust you.
Go! Okay, how many things are you gonna pick up?
20.
10 things a piece. Come on, guys, your room is a disaster. And it's the end of the night and I want you ready for bed. Let's go. I'm gonna go put Lincoln's hat in his room and I'm gonna check on him. I am pretty sure that is not the way that hat is supposed to look.
It's supposed to look like that.
I don't think so. No, I really don't think so. Come on, lady. Lincoln, get down. Get down. Is that what this is supposed to look like? Does it always have that there?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Gosh dang it. Do you see what happened to your hat? Because it got...
Mine is that one.
Aha! See, folks? See, it's not what it's supposed to look like. I'm actually really
I
not
didn't
happy
do
about
that.
that. Please lay down right this minute.
I don't know if this is the beginning of the vlog or the end. So if it's the beginning, hi guys. Today I will be telling you about my guitar. My grandma, she is going to be going on a mission soon. And she is extremely excited. We are all so excited, but she's leaving in the summertime. And we're all so sad about that, but that's okay. Because she will be doing something she will love and like cherish the memory for her entire life. While she is getting ready to leave for her mission, she was kind of like giving away stuff just like before she was kind of cleaning out her house almost. And I just happened to be in guitar class, and this is my 4th term, so that means that I have gone through more than half and more than, I think, 3rd? I don't know, I'm not good with math. But I'm in my 4th term, so then I took guitar, and I have enjoyed it, and I have loved it so much. And for guitar, they give you a pick. I left my pick at school. I wish I would have brought it, I forgot. But they give you a pick, and I just showed everybody. I was so proud of it. It's like bright pink, and I was just like, it's my favorite color. It is beautiful, and I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. So I took a picture of it, and I sent it to my grandma, and I was like, Grandma, I just really started guitar, and I was like, I got a pick, and I'm so happy, and I'm so proud of it. And she was like, oh my goodness. She's like, I have a guitar from when I was little, and when she was little, she wanted a guitar so badly, and her parents would just not, her parents said no. She was like, no, we're not giving you a guitar. And then Christmas came and Santa gave her a guitar, and she has had so many memories with this guitar, and a lot of the memories that she has kept in the case have been from when she was little. And I'll show you the case. Okay. So this is her case, and it's bright yellow, and it has little like handy things. It has a it's the color yellow. I love the color yellow, which I'm so happy about that. But it has one of the straps that goes around that I can connect to the sides of it. I don't know where I connect it. I haven't had a guitar ever. So this is pretty new to me still. But so she gave me this guitar, and this is what it looks like. I think guitars are beautiful, but I think just how they look, oh my goodness, you guys, I can see you guys in the mirror of it, but it's beautiful. I love it. Well, she gave me a book that was from when she was in high school, and it was just filled with songs that you could do, and the first night that she gave it to me was on a Sunday, and that night I just took it and like looked through it, and I have my Google, and I was like, play this song, like I want to hear how this song sounds, and I just loved all of the songs. So hopefully in the future I can like play all the songs for you, but I will show you what I know so far. And I've only been in this class for probably 2 weeks now, and I have learned a lot. And since I play piano, this is all pretty new this is all pretty simple and also kind of easier, since I've been able to like learn notes, memorize them, like, you know, stuff like that. So I did not mean to do that. The first note, I'm not giving you guys a lesson, but the first note that I learned was E, and I went down from the top one, and it was Eddie, 8 Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie. So E-A-D G-B-E. And so learning that, I was just like, wow, this is very simple. Like, and I was talking to my mom. My mom's like, that is why most people play the guitar and not the piano. At least that's what she said, but I don't know. I kind of just went from that. So I know a couple chords. So this is G7. And of course I need to tune this guitar a little more. I did tune it, but I don't think fully, because I've never tuned a guitar before. So hopefully in the future I will learn a song and I will play it for you guys. Oh yeah, and then tuning my guitar, my teacher said that it's the same notes as the guitar as the piano. So like you'd play the note on the piano E, and you just kind of listen, you kind of change it, and you just kind of figure it out. Every night I'll sit on my bed and I'll have my guitar, and I'll probably be laying so it'll be like this, and I'll be playing it, and I just love just messing around with it. My brothers, I'll have to have them play it for you, but they made up some song, and it was about like salty goldfish or something, I don't know. This is my grandma's guitar. This was from when she was little, and it's like when I get older, like I won't let anything happen to this guitar. Like, this is my grandma's guitar. I love her, and I love the memory we have together so much. But yeah, so if this is the end of the video, I will close it. So if you guys like the video, give this video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, subscribe, and then hit the notification bell. I haven't done that in a long time, but hopefully. Bye.
Okay, you're cute.
So I
Okay, don't keep that part, please, Dad.
Please put that on. Put it in the bloopers. Boss is a baby.
so hopefully
Put that in bloopers.
and then if this is the end, then I'll just close the vlog. I don't really know.